everyone. Bienvenidos a Rincón de Carmen. Welcome to Carmen's Corner, brought to you by Pacers National Bullying Prevention Center. I'm Carmen, and today we're going to talk about unity, or togetherness. Unity is bringing parts together to make a whole. When people unite, they team up to help themselves and others. Escucha! That must be our word of the day. Today's word is juntos, which means together in Spanish. Juntos podemos crear un mundo sin bullying. Together, we can create a world without bullying. What's one thing that you can do? ¡Qué bueno! To hear more ways that kids are working together to prevent bullying, let's visit Miguel in the Unity Garden.
Hi friends, I'm Miguel, and today I'm visiting Pacers Unity Garden. Check out what kids just like you are taking care of this season.
I help plant the seeds of kindness.
Why, thank you. Have a sunshiny day.
I help cultivate acceptance.
From flowers and trees to bugs and weeds, we all belong at Pacers Unity Garden.
I help their inclusion.
Come join us. You can help us take care of our garden too.
Really? Thanks! That sounds like fun. Let me just grab my watering can. Now where did I leave it? Found it! Back to you, Carmen.
¡Qué lindo! How beautiful! Thanks for sharing, Miguel. I think my friends and I might start a unity garden of our own. Remember, kids, if you have questions about unity, bullying, or anything else we talk about on the show, you can send them to me at askcarmen@pacer.org. I'm really good at research, and I'll do my best to answer your questions either by email or on the Kids Against Bullying website. Today's question comes from Joey in San Diego, California. Dear Carmen, we had Unity Day at our school to celebrate coming together for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. We wore orange, and my teacher talked a lot about how it takes all of us to create a world without bullying. I mean, I want to help, but we're just kids. What can we do? Your friend, Joey. Thanks for asking, Joey. We do Unity Day at my school every year too, and my teacher talks a lot like your teacher. I think what they mean is that when we work together, we get more done. I don't think they want us to fix the whole world, but we kids can make a difference in the places we spend time, like in the library, at the park, or online. Unity is coming together to be part of something bigger than yourself, which means that you don't do things alone. Imagine if each kid at your school did one nice thing for someone else every day. When we each help a little, together we can reach big goals like preventing bullying and making the world a better place. Thanks for writing in. And now it's time for a brain break.